Well, in this definitive guide, you will learn how long to restore iPhone, why iPhone restore takes so long, and how to fix the issue in a quick manner. Let's dig deeper now. Part 1. How long does it take to factory reset an iPhone? Factory reset times vary. iPhone 12 series takes 30 mins. Older models, like iPhone 876, take 2+ hours. iPhone X may be exceptionally slow, reaching 10% after 2 hours. Be cautious about encountering the white screen of death after reset. Part 4. What can we do when iPhone restore takes too long? 1. Restart your iPhone. 2. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. 3. Reboot your computer and try another USB cable. 4. Switch to a different computer. 5. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. 6. Update iTunes. Part 3. The fastest way to restore iPhone without iTunes/iCloud.so. Is there a quick and easy way to restore your iPhone? Exactly. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Win and Mac is the appropriate program you are seeking. It is a tip-top tool for backing up and restoring your iOS devices. Back up your iPhone in one tap. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and run the tool. Follow on-screen prompts to ensure your device is recognized. Step 2. In the program interface, click Super Toolkit, then select iTunes Backup and Restore. Step 3. A window will then pop up. Just select Backup from the top screen. Step 4. Choose a device to back up and select a location to store the backup content. Finally, tap OK to start backing up your iPhone data. Restore your iPhone data quickly. Connect iPhone to computer via USB cable and launch the program. Follow prompts to recognize the device. Navigate to Super Toolkit iTunes Backup and Restore. Select desired backup files and click OK to restore them to your iPhone instantly.